How to sign up or open Google Bard AI chatbot account. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for bard.google.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Bard. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and select the Google account you want to sign in with. Or, if you want to sign in using a new account, then tap on the Add Another Account option. Now, go ahead and enter your email address and tap on Next, and then enter your password. Tap on Next again, and with this, you will be successfully signed up to your Bard AI chatbot account. So, this is how you can sign up or open Google Bard AI chatbot account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.